Hello and happy Easter, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. Can you believe Easter is tomorrow? It's finally here. And are you looking for a simple and easy last-minute side dish to serve for your Easter dinner? How does candied carrots sound? Oh yes, it's just like candied yams, but instead of yams, we're going to use carrots. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, they are the bomb.com delicious. We're going to coat them in a luscious orange cinnamon glaze. Everybody will be going back for seconds, and these candied carrots will be the talk of the town at your Easter dinner and the perfect side dish for springtime. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my side dish recipes playlist and my previous video, hot cross buns. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your carrots, your orange juice, and your ground cinnamon sugar, because we're about to cook some candied carrots magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the carrots. I have 1.5 pounds of fresh carrots. That's about 7 to 8. Cut the bottoms and the tops, like so. So now we're going to peel them. Alright, so now we're going to cut them right on the diagonal, the bias. About 1/4 inch. And keep your fingers out the way. Just like that, and we're going to put them in the bowl. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish peeling and cutting my carrots, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my carrots together. Now we're ready to cook them. Over here in my skillet, I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in the carrots. And over here, I have 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Give this a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a rapid simmer. Alright, my friends, our carrots has came to a rapid simmer. So now we're going to let them cook for about 5 minutes until they fork tender. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the carrots. Oh yeah, nice and fork tender. Now it's time to add in the other ingredients. 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Give this a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our carrots has came to a boil. So now we're going to let it cook until it reduces to a glaze for about 4 to 5 minutes. And you want to toss the carrots occasionally. Make sure they coat it into the sauce. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, this is what our carrots look like. You see how the glaze reduced down? That's exactly what we want. Oh my Lord, it smells amazing. You can smell the cinnamon. So all we do now is cut our fire off. And our candied carrots is ready to serve. So I'm going to pour it into my bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this gorgeous bowl of candied carrots. Don't that look good? And look at that glaze. It's sure to make your mouth water. Alright, there's a couple more things we gotta add to it. Some salt and pepper. And a sprinkling of fresh parsley. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Southern Candied Carrots. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The carrots is perfectly cooked and nice and tender. Oh, and that glaze is amazing. You could taste the orange and the cinnamon. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Candied Carrots Licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delight on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadedelight@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations of my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Easter.